Hey guys, we're going to talk about solving equations with fractions in them. So let's look at this example. So here you can see I have negative 1/4 and I have negative 3/4. So it's annoying to work with fractions, so I'm going to show you a way to get rid of them. First, you need to identify your denominators. You guys know what a denominator is. It's this number. This is your denominator. So my denominator is 4 here. I'm going to multiply both sides of my equation by 4. I'm going to use a calculator, just if I need it. Let me just pull it up for you. Now let's put it here on the side. So I have 4 times negative 1/4. It's going to give me negative 1x. 4 times 3 is 12. Then I have, so again I'm distributing. Then I need to distribute the 4 here. 4 times 2x is 8x. And then if you want to check with a calculator again, we have negative 3/4 times 4. That's negative 3. Now this is an equation I know how to solve. I'm going to subtract 8x from both sides. Negative 1x minus 8x is negative 9x. Now I'm going to subtract 12 from both sides. I get negative 9x equals negative 15. And I'm going to divide by negative 9. X is equal to negative 15 over negative 9. Now this is not my final answer. It's a fraction, I have to simplify it. I can put this in Desmos, negative 15 over negative 9. And I can press this button and it simplifies it for me. I get 5 over 3. There we go. Let's try another one. Now here, notice we have so many denominators. We have 2, we have 4, and we have 6. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to multiply all of them. 2 times 4 times 6 gives me 48. So I'm going to multiply both sides of my equation by 48. Let's distribute and see what happens. 48 times 1/2 is 24x. If you don't believe me, check the calculator. 48 times negative 3/4 is negative 36. 48 times x, 48x. Negative 17 times 6 is going to be negative 136, so minus 136. You can use your calculator, okay? Okay, I'm going to move my variables. (24x minus 48x is negative 24x. Then I have negative 136. And I'm going to add 36 to both sides. I get negative 24x equals negative 100. And I know how to solve this. And divide by negative 24. And I get x equals negative 100 over negative 24. I put that in my handy-dandy calculator. And if I make that a fraction, I get 25/6 as my answer. Let's look at 2 more examples. If you ever have just 2 fractions are equal to each other like this is when you can use cross multiplication when you have an equation, okay? It's the only time you can do it. So what you can do is you can multiply like this, and what I'll do this in this color. And I'll do this one in this color. So I get 6 times 3 is 18. Get 9 times x, that's 9x. Now I can solve. I'm going to divide both sides by 9. I get x equals 2. Let's try this next one. Here I have n minus 7 times 5. And then I have 4 times n plus 5. I'm going to rewrite that. 5 times n minus 7 is equal to 4 times n plus 5. I can use distribution. 5 times n is 5n. 5 times -7, -35. 4 times n, that's 4n. 4 times 5 is positive 20. I know how to solve this. Let me subtract 4n from both sides. 5n minus 4n is n. Minus 35 equals 20. I'm going to add 35 to both sides. I get n is equal to 55. And there we made it easy.